If you're looking for a great universal cutter which cuts up to a 1/4 inch and really fast, really convenient without a lot of weight. This one here is even below 1 pound, has this solid extra soft grip here. I think it's an absolute awesome thing. I got it from the seller to show you how nice this works, but you will be able to see live cutting here anyway, so you can judge on your own. What we also have here is this extra safety trigger here. You can see when we just push this here, nothing is going to happen. Also, when we pull the large trigger underneath, nothing is going to happen. We really have to push both of the buttons. Yeah, turning around that you can see that better. So when we push on both of the triggers, only then the cutting wheel will start turning. And what we also hear that it's not very loud. I guess you still have been able to understand me. So it's really comfortable to use. By the way, it's also rechargeable here in the back with USB-C and even USB-C to C with modern PD. And it comes even with a built-in integrated light here in the front. Yeah, absolutely amazing. I think it has really everything what we can expect. Also this protection here, and regarding cutting size, again, 1/4 inch. And so I have this electric screwdriver here about same thickness as a thin finger. And when I hold it here like that, yeah, turn it around again. When you see the knife here and here, when I hold it like that, you can see there's no way I can touch this blade here. So also really nice extra protection, and still capable to cut up to a 1/4 inch of cardboard, paper, fabrics, leather, and much more. And it can cut even pretty fast. Of course, comes with the original instructions manual, USB-A to USB-C charger, replacement blade, even though the original one is self-sharpening. And on top of that, we get even this nice storage case where we can put everything inside, store it, carry with you if needed. Yeah, absolutely amazing what we get here in this set. I've tried it now a couple of times and it has been really working pretty reliable. Maybe the only thing with this kind of cutter compared to the ones which have some kind of an electric scissor, this is like more integrated into the housing. I mean, it's really nice. I think it works faster than this one which is cutting like a scissor, but on the other hand, it blocks more a little bit the flow, for example, of cardboard. I mean, it's definitely not a problem here. I can do that here even live, I think. But for example, when I want to cut more, you can see, for example, especially here in the back, it gets somehow a little bit blocked, and then I have to push pretty hard to proceed. I think with such a cutter, it works a little bit easier. Let's try. Yeah, you can see there was no resistance, and we can also see why, because there's absolutely nothing down here except from the blade, while we still have a little bit more stuff here in the back with this one. But I think this is also part of the extra protection, where we definitely cannot reach the blade, while here we are definitely a little bit closer. So when it comes to safety, definitely advantage here for the Xpersoul cutter. Yeah, definitely not a bad thing, something which really works. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this cutter, and just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.